In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Shanghainese Potstickers. I'm from Shanghai and I'm a big fan of these fried dumplings. The video is for my friend Robert and his family. Robert runs a Mexican restaurant in Independence. My family love their food, so you may also want to have a try. These are the main ingredients. I got the Shanghai-style dumpling wrapper from Pan Asia in Overland Park. All the other ingredients can also be purchased online or in local markets. Cut the spring onion into small pieces and put it into the blender. Add an egg and all the other sauce. Don't forget the lard. This will be the filling of the dumplings. Now you are ready to make some dumplings. Also prepare a cup of water. Grab a piece of dumpling skin, add some filling in the middle, add some water on the edge. Then carefully fold it and close the edges. I'm going to show you again how to close the edge. Don't forget to add some water. When you are folding it, keep one side flat and the other side folded. Here's the real speed. You can do it slowly. Now you have a beautiful dumpling which can stand up on the plate. You may also try other different styles. The idea is just to make sure that your dumpling is closed. This is an easier way. My mother-in-law also tried to make it with me. She did pretty good. It's not easy to close the dumpling at the beginning, but if you keep practicing, you will get better. Now the dumplings are ready to be cooked. We add some oil to the pot and place the dumpling carefully in a circle. Use low heat for about 5 minutes. Check the bottom of the dumplings. If it's the golden color, then it's perfect. Add a cup of water, then turn to the high heat. After another 5 minutes, add some sesame and a little bit oil, then turn it back to low heat. After 1 more minute, your dumplings are ready to be taken out. Now you can enjoy the dumplings with some sauce. Depends on what you like. My son likes soy sauce and sesame oil. My mother-in-law had a spicy sauce mixed with the soy sauce. How was it, Mage?
So good. Wonderful.
My husband had insane homemade spicy sauce. Give a thumbs up.
Delicious. Perfect.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.